Most men never realize this the very moment you ask for intimacy. Her desire quietly disappears, because intimacy is never given to the man who needs it. It's pulled toward the man who doesn't. Let me prove it with a story a Roman general Stoic respected and admired never chased women. During a grand banquet, a noble lady asked him, "Why don't you pursue us like the others?" He calmly smiled and said, "I only chase what runs away from wisdom." She leaned in, intrigued, and offered herself. That night, every man in that hall saw what power restraint truly holds. Now imagine yourself. She's laughing, leaning closer. The air between you feels alive. But then you ask, and that spark dies instantly. Because the one who asks becomes the boy seeking approval, while the man who embodies intimacy through calm presence, steady energy, and quiet confidence never has to ask. Stoicism whispers one truth: control yourself, and you control the world. Lead her without words, through grounded eyes, through a voice that doesn't tremble, through a touch that says, "I know who I am not. Please choose me." And above all, detach from the outcome, because here lies the paradox. The man who can walk away is the one she begs to stay. If you want her soul, stop chasing her body. True seduction isn't loud, it's silent strength so magnetic. She chooses to surrender willingly, completely. So if you found power in these words, show some love, drop a like, and hit subscribe for more timeless psychology about attraction and mastery.